session we are going to learn how to insert the value in the text boxes. You can see the name, email, phone numbers. So we are going to learn through the Playwright, and we are going to use programming language as a TypeScript. So how we can do that? So first of all, let us launch this website or URL. So how we can do that? Page await means asynchronous wait. So page dot go to. Now I already copy pasted the URL. So you can see now page dot locator. Locate. I use the locator, but we need to determine the locator for this. How we determine the locator for this? So we are going to use xpath for this. So how we determine the xpath? So I will tell you. So I have clicked the inspect, and we are going to find the xpath through the ID of this text box. So let us find. Just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see it got launched. Now you can see the ID's name. So I'm going to use xpath ID equal to name. So you can see by mistake, you can see I given, sorry for this, I think this is wrong. So this is the correct xpath. So you can see I'm using double quote for this. Which value I'm going to give? Any name. Suppose I give the name as Ram. So you can see why giving error. Let us see. Okay, now you can see. So let us run it once for once. Let us check whether it is working successfully or not. So let us execute this test case. So I'm going to execute this test case. So npx playwright test is a standard command. Data test means I'm going to use dataset as a file name. Headed means that I'm going to execute in a browser, and project name, it is going to indicate which browser I'm supposed to use. Here I am using WebKit as a browser. So let us launch. So in few seconds it is going to launch the URL or the website test automation practice at .blogspot.com, and it will going to insert the value as Ram, name is Ram, in the text box. So you can see it start running for test using one worker, and you can see is showing the title of the text case. Now you can see it has launched. You can see the name. You can see the test case got failed passed, but you're not able to see the value inserted. So why? Because it executed very fast. Page dot wait for timeout I'm going to use, so that our execution will be halted for 5 seconds. So just wait for 5 seconds, and our execution will be halted for 5 seconds, and you can see the value inserted in the text. Just wait for 5 seconds. Just wait. You can see it started execution once again, and you can see it inserted the value as a RAM. So this is how the test case is. Now we are going to, in a similar lines, we are going to insert the value in this email text box. So how we can do that? You can see I can find this id as an email. So what we can do in the same xpath, what we can do, instead of name we are going to use email. You can see this has been highlighted. So we are going to copy paste this one. So I am copy pasting this one. And instead of name I am going to use email. You can see instead of ram at the rate gmail.com. You can see I given the email id. Let us execute once again. So I'm executing this test case once again, and you can see few seconds going to launch the URL, and it is going to execute our test case. So you can see now it is going to insert the value in the email as well as the name. You can see insert is ram email. You can see at ram@gmail.com. So our execution is successful. You can see the test case has been passed successfully. Now if you want to see the report of the Playwright, you can see the report npx playwright show report. So what we have to do, you have to run this report npx playwright show report. So it will show you the report of your test case execution, and you can see if the test case passed, fail, so it will give the total execution of your test case. So just wait for a few seconds, and it is going to launch your report in a Edge browser. You can see now, you can see this one. You can see insert name and email text boxes. So I am going to expand this one. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see it is showing each and every steps has been executed successfully. So I hope you are able to understand how to insert the value in the text box. So guys, if you like this video, please like this video, and if you want to subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this.